Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a gray paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. The vehicle has features including our black aluminum rims, easy open tailgate, heated steering wheel, the trailering package, Z71 off-roading package, heated front seats, as well as a backup camera with adaptive guidelines and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle. Just behind that we have our door locks. Moving down, all of our powered mirror settings, as well as our powered window with automatic front window. Moving down, some extra storage in the door panel. Up to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode, as well as our drive select. Then we have our lighting, including in-bed lighting and our central cluster gauge console lighting. Moving up above the steering wheel, we have our cluster gauge with that central infotainment system. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise control, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the center, we have our radio, which also has our Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, trailer lighting, backup camera, and navigation. Below it, if we choose not to use the touchscreen, we have some additional controls. Moving down, we have our front dual zone climate control. We also have our heated seats on either side for our passenger and driver. Moving down, we have our hill assist, our easy open back hatch, our hazard lights, and our ABS. We have our trailer brake controller, as well as our USB-C, a USB, and a 12-volt plug. Below that, we have some storage, 2 cup holders with some extra storage. Here we can see our key. We have our locks, our unlocks, our remote start, as well as our easy open hatch, and then lastly our alarm. Moving to our center console, we can see we have some storage above it. Center console opens with the press of a button on the front and accesses deep storage. Moving across, we can see the seats. They're in a black cloth finish, and of course they're heated. Lastly, going above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar controls, our rear seat check reminder, and our light controls. Walking down the side of the Silverado, we can see just in front of our driver's side door, we have our Z71 badging. Moving down, we can see our black aluminum rims with Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Up to our mirrors, we have a black side mirror finish, as well as our black door handle with our keyless entry in the back. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see in the corner, we have our steps into our bed. In the back center, we have all of our trailering equipment. On either side, we have our chrome exhaust. Moving up, we see our Chevrolet logo across, our LT badging on the right-hand side, and our Silverado badging on the left-hand side. Opening the rear of the vehicle, either through our key, through the press of the button, or through the front compartment, we can see we have our bed with our bed liner. Then if we open this up just a little bit, we can see our backup camera. Into the back of the vehicle, we can once again see our chrome door handle and our window control, as well as extra storage. Moving inside the vehicle itself, we can see the magazine holder on the seat in front of us. In the center, we have 2 cup holders and some extra storage. Moving down, we have a USB-C, a USB, as well as a 12-volt plug. Passenger side also contains the same magazine holder. We can see our seats in the back are once again our black leather. In the center seat, we have a pulling fold-down cup holder for either side, as well as storage. And then in the back of the outboard seats, we have some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.